Hello everyone, welcome to Rajeshwari's Commerce and Management Study Hub. I am Rajeshwari here. In this video, we are going to understand the royalty account, elements which are involved in the royalty account, and accounts which we are preparing in the different methods for the royalty accounts. First, we will understand the meaning of royalty account. See, you have seen copyright, patent, license, right? All the intangibles and land. For mining, if you are given, you will receive rent regularly on regular intervals, specified period of time. There will be two persons involved. If we take best example as your textbook, if you take your financial accounting textbook, if you observe, you can see the author and the publisher are different. Publisher and author are different. Now, publisher can publish the textbook only when he gets right from the author. With an agreement, he gives right to publish the textbook, and he also gives permission for selling the textbook. Then it is called as the right. Author gives right to publish the textbook. Now, what is the benefit to the author and what is the benefit to the publisher? Here, when he gets the right, he starts publishing and selling the textbook, right? He gives guarantee. He gives guarantee. Guarantee of what? Periodic sum. Periodic sum. What is this guarantee? Now, after publishing, immediately he may not be able to achieve greater sales, right? So, what the publisher will do, he will guarantee a fixed minimum rent. Fixed minimum rent to the author. First, he has taken the right from the author to publish the textbook for selling the textbook. Then he assured that a guaranteed sum amount, periodic sum. See, it will be agreement for the specified period of time for all the duration in a regular intervals. It can be monthly, yearly, quarterly, right? Half yearly. For a periodic sum, he pays the amount. This is called as the royalty. If you take mining, copyright, patent, know-how, all this, they will receive a royalty. Right? Patent for ideas, for mining, for copyrights, and serials and televisions, right? So all this comes under royalty account. Let us understand the in detail about the royalty account. Royalty account track the royalty payment, which are periodic fee paid for the right to use an asset. Why you are paying? You have got a right to use the asset. For that, you are paying periodic fee. For intellectual properties like copyright, patent, or natural resources like mining rights. And this royalty account is a nominal account because here we are talking about the income and the expenses. It is an expense for the payer. It is also called as lessee or licensee. And it is an income for the receiver. It is also called as lessor or licensor. And the rent which he is paying when he is not able to reach the output or usage, the minimum guaranteed amount will be paid to the lessee. to the lessor annually, and it is regardless of the actual output or usage. What is short working? The short working is the difference between the minimum rent and the actual royalty. When actual royalty amount is less than the minimum rent, then this short working arises. And here he is paying a guaranteed amount when he is not able to reach the actual output or usage, right? He should have some right to recover that amount when it is exceeds. So here there is an option of recoupment of short working for the subsequent years. When royalty exceeds the minimum rent, for the later periods, he can recover the short working for the subsequent year and specified period of time. All the year you won't be able to recover. There will be a limited time period. In that time period, he can recover. Let us understand now the accounting treatment for the royalty account. First, you need to prepare the table of analysis. It is compulsory for both the methods, whether you are treating in the books of lessee or lessor. First, you need to prepare the table of analysis. Right, this shows how much you are short working, what is your short working recoupment, and how much you have paid to the landlord. The complete information of minimum rent, royalty will be mentioned in the table of analysis. Let that we will understand in detail in upcoming videos. So first we need to prepare the treatment in the books of lessee. When minimum rent account method if you are using, and without minimum rent account method. When you are using minimum rent account method, journal entries, when it comes to ledger accounts, you are preparing 4 ledger accounts: minimum rent account, royalty account, lessor or landlord account, short working account you are preparing. Without minimum rent account, journal entries, when it comes to ledger accounts, royalty account, lessor or landlord account, short working account. Minimum rent account you are not going to prepare because this method is without minimum rent account method. And in the books of lessor, journal entries, ledger accounts, you are preparing lessee account, royalty receivable account, short working expenses account. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.